Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Lasoode or Achaar, that is blueberries and raw mangoes pickle. Lasoode are a popular Indian variety of fruits which is used to make very delicious pickle. Lasoode are characterized by their sticky pulp or substance when cut raw, and thus are called blueberries also. Blueberry pickle is very popular in Punjab, UP, and Rajasthan. In Punjab it is usually pickled with combination of raw mangoes. It comes in vegetable markets and grocery shops for a very limited period. It usually arrives into North Indian vegetable markets somewhere between second half of February and first half of March. Making of this dual fruit pickle is not difficult, but it is a lengthy process. The problem is that availability time for both of these fruits is different. Perfect raw mangoes for pickling come to stores in late June, whereas Lasoode or blueberries are available 3 to 4 months earlier to that. So, the process of making Lasoode and Achaar has to be done in 2 steps. First we have to preserve Lasoode and keep them until good raw mangoes for pickling come into store. We are explaining here the complete process how it is done in perfect manner. You also make this mouth-watering yummy Lasoode or Achaar this season and relish the taste of this Punjabi style pickle. Everyone among your family members and friends is going to love it for sure. We have taken 3 kilograms raw Lasoode, that is blueberries. You take as many as you like to. Wash all blueberries thoroughly. Do not cut attached stems or branches at this stage. You can see the gluey substance inside a raw blueberry. This sticky or gluey substance is to be vanished before preserving them. Put a pot with enough water in it over medium heat to boil. Place washed blueberries along with attached stems into boiling water. You may do it in batches if the pot is not big enough to accommodate all. Place blueberries in boiling water and cover the pot. Boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Keep on pressing gently and moving blueberries here and there for even cooking. Boil until blueberries start to change color. Color changes to light pale. Drain boiled blueberries from boiling water and repeat the process to boil remaining also until light pale in color. Do not overcook blueberries. Detach boiled blueberries from stems or branches and remove the head seals also to open holes. Do this with all boiled blueberries and keep aside for a while. Now half fill plastic or jar with water. At room temperature, add 1 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, into water. Also add 1/2 teaspoon pisi lal mirch, that is red chili powder, 2 teaspoons salt, and 3 or 4 teaspoon moti pisi rayee, that is coarsely ground mustard seeds. Stir well to mix and dissolve all. Place boiled and stems removed blueberries into spiced water. You may use more jars to soak all blueberries into spiced water. All blueberries should be well submerged under spiced water. Close the jars with lids and leave at room temperature for 10 or 15 days, or until that sticky substance is completely finished from within blueberries. Keep on checking at regular intervals of 4 to 5 days. Open jar and check if gluey substance has finished. If not, then leave for another few days. Drain blueberries through sieve in your sink. Wash blueberries thoroughly while rubbing gently under running water to remove excessive saltiness. Spread all washed blueberries on a large cloth sheet, or paper under sun or fan to remove excessive water or moisture from them. Leave for 3 to 4 hours or until almost dried on outer surface. Pour enough sarson cocktail, that is mustard oil, in a wok or pot over medium heat. Heat well until it starts smoking. The purpose of this step is to remove that pungent fragrance of mustard oil. You may use oil raw if smell does not bother you. Turn off the stove and allow cooling to room temperature. Divide dried blueberries among 2 or 3 medium or small jars, or use only one large as per your choice. Pour heated and cooled mustard oil over dried blueberries until well submerged. Close the jars with lids and leave aside at room temperature until raw mangoes are available in markets for pickling. We have taken 3 kg raw mangoes for pickling. Best variety in North India is Gola or Ramkaila variety, that is almost perfect round shaped mangoes variety. We have cut mangoes into small chunks keeping seed shells attached with them. You may remove seed shells if like to. Thoroughly wash and dry the excessive water by spreading under sun of fan. Add 200 gram pisi saunf, that is coarsely ground fennel seeds, into a large parrot or wide deep tray. Also add 200 gram moti pisi methidane, that is coarsely ground fenugreek seeds. 2 tablespoon moti pisi rayee, that is coarsely ground mustard seeds. 300 gram salt. Salt is usually kept on a higher side in Indian pickles. Also add 2 tablespoon pisi lal mirch, that is ground red chili powder, and 3 tablespoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder. Stir well so as to disperse all spices evenly. Now add mustard oil from blueberries jar into spice mixture. Add little at first. Mix well with your hands. Wearing gloves saves staining of hands and nails. Stir in more oil from jar until quite wet spice mixture is obtained. Now add few raw mango chunks first into oiled spices and mix until all chunks are well coated with oiled spice mixture. Now add few blueberries also in it and mix again to coat all alike with mixture. Mix in more mango chunks if required. Now transfer all spice mixture coated blueberries and mango chunks into a neat and dry plastic or glass jar. Repeat the process to coat all blueberries and mango chunks with oiled spice mixture and transfer them into jars. Add leftover oiled spice mixture over pickle in jars. Close the jars with their lids and leave at room temperature for 3 to 4 days. The pickle will also settle down a bit in jars by then. Open jars after 4 days and pour in more mustard oil over pickle in jars. You may use heated until smoky and cooled or raw mustard oil according to your choice. Pickle should remain well submerged under oil. Close the jars with lids and leave for 2 to 3 months at room temperature. Pickle will be ready by then. Preferably shake jars once or twice in a month for even pickling. The pickle on screen is the one we prepared last year. You also make this delicious Lasoode or Achaar, that is blueberries and raw mango pickle, this season and enjoy. We hope that you have liked it. Please click on the like button below and write your views in comments column 2. Your feedback is really valuable for us. Click on our photo on screen to subscribe if not done till now. Thanks.